Good morning.
Morning. Gone for minnows?
Yeah.
Any luck?
It's been a tough start on minnows because the ice stay for so long,
Yeah.
that the water is super cold still. Every gallon is an help, so even if it's just a little bit, that's better than nothing.
Yeah, this has been quite the year. When I was flying around early here, my first flight, I went up north to have a look, and I had hopes of two places right off the bat. One is Fawcett, and the other is North Gull, because they're both on rivers. But anyway, I'm flying over the cabin there, and the cabin, this is the first one we got to open up and get going. So I'm looking there, and it's got a 36-foot deck on the front of it, and the whole deck is on the ground. It fell off the cabin. So what happened was, it's not a deck I built, it was there when I bought the cabin. There was so much snow this winter, it slid off the metal roof and took the whole deck, 36-foot deck, on the ground. Now we got a job, and that's the first one I wanted to open, so come back and told the crew. And so I said, Zach, well, me and you will go up there tomorrow. We'll land on the river there. We can't get to the cabin yet because there's about 100 feet of ice in front of the dock. So we're gonna have to park in the on the shoreline and take our chainsaws and walk about 10 minutes to get to the cabin, and then we're gonna have to start working on that deck, cut it all up, and get rid of that deck, and then get ready to make another one. So we had to go there, cut the deck up. I stood right out on the ice, cut 2 holes on the dock. We put 2 outboard motors on boats on the dock. We let them run, pointing right straight out to the river, and we gassed them up before we left, and then when we came back the next day, it was perfect. They were, it opened up a perfect driveway right to our dock there, and so we could get the otter in and bring a load of lumber and build the deck. So so we brought the whole crew in there. We got me and Zack got the old deck cut up and got rid of that, and then we built the deck in about half a day. A real nice brand new deck on there now, so we're all in operation and brought the guests in there, and but yeah, it's just some of the things that happen. You're counting on one spot and you go there and you got a big problem. Yeah.
Here we are. It's 5:30 in the morning right now. Just gonna pack up some gear. The plan is to fly north today, open up some camps. Everything's charged up. I believe things get rolling in about an hour and a half, so we'll have to grab a coffee and see what is up.
Good morning.
How are we today?
Good. What's the plan?
Oh, we're just getting the airplane all pre-flight inspected here and fueled up, and we're gonna take off for Otadigan here first with our first group of the year for that lake. We were originally supposed to go to Carolyn first, but we still got some ice problems there. So,
Yeah.
by the end of the day, I think we'll have no issue. South wind, warm.
Yeah.
Should be able to get in there later. But the more north you go, the more ice there is right now. Some lakes have rivers, which helps a lot. The flowing water kind of moves the ice out earlier, but some of them are just tight yet. So, but we're getting there. We're getting there.
To the OT.
We'll get some people in here today and get them fishing, and they'll be happy.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
So, everything's sort of stored indoors for the winter, so we're gonna bring all that stuff out. Actually looks good for mice and such. No bears. Looks really good.
Perfect. Thanks, man. Yeah.
Washing boats?
Yeah, washing boats. I like to double dip. Do two in the same time. Efficiency, you know. But here it's an ideal spot for having boats not too dirty.
Yeah.
Because it's all clear around. But most of them, they are getting
Leaves, needles.
yeah, they are getting way dirtier than that. Yeah, that's for sure. Nice.
That's beautiful. Just run off that battery?
Yeah.
And the battery lasts?
The battery is hooked to a battery charger, which is not yet.
Yeah.
So guys,
Whenever the Jenny runs, it just trickles charges it?
And guys run the Jenny almost every day.
Yeah,
right? So
for sure.
the rule is when they're out fishing,
Yeah.
they shouldn't, but
They do.
and I probably will too.
This is supposed to be back normally, eh? This part?
Yeah, it got pushed out.
Pushed way up, yeah.
Yeah, so I think we'll have to push it back down and maybe even give it a little more of a tilt. Yeah, there is a little bit to do here with that dock situation. I think overall the cabin looks pretty nice. So far the motor is working pretty good. So we'll just have to assess this situation here, but it shouldn't take too much.
Yeah, that's a pretty nice looking dock. Oh yeah, that's nice. Not too bad, not too bad.
Yeah, exactly.
Back at Grace. This was the first camp I stopped at. Last summer when we started. We've got a little bit of issue here. She definitely got pushed by the ice. So the ice pushed the dock sideways and it's all on rock. So we're gonna use the plane to push the dock back over. Hell yeah. So the plane idea is not going to work because it's just going to end up stressing this part of the dock because the part we need to move isn't budging, so that plan will not work.
Much better.
Yes. Good. Oh jeez. That's how it's gonna be.
Yeah. It's in.
Bit of a bump, I guess.
Better than a hole.
Yeah.
Ah. Had to raise the door here so it would open because this is all lifted, but it's rock under here or ground. So that's gonna have to be leveled another time. This whole section probably redone. Leveled this a bit. Looking pretty good. Still got the deck here pulling a bit with a low corner, so that's gonna have to come up. Okay, this is less sketchy. Looking pretty flat. I think that's all we can do today. It's only the second stop, and as you can see, it's getting dark, so we've been here quite a while. All right, this dock is good. The boats are done. Dock is good. Yeah. I don't know if I've been to this one. This is sweet. I thought I had been to Cook, but I guess not.
I really like it. It's adorable.
That's very cool. Oh, it's all bear armored. This is open or locked? Oh, it's a bear.
Luckily,
Are your feet okay?
yeah, my shoes are probably not, but
Well, are you sure?
Didn't work on me. How's it supposed to work on a bear? No, I'm
Did
good.
you not say, oh, it's all bear trap? Before
Yeah. So I guess I gotta remove those before you just walk in.
I thought you stepped on another one.
No, I'm good.
Liability.
Yeah.
Warm in here.
Well, this place is sick.
Oh my god! I want to live here.
Yeah, this is
This is adorable. I like this little.
5 stars, man. It's nicer than my kitchen.
I live in an ice cream forever. So
Yeah. You don't even have a kitchen, really.
I have.
Yeah, I definitely have not been here. This is sweet. Once we get water, we're good? At Cook?
Once we get water, man, we're out of here.
Sounds like it's working.
Yeah, it's going.
Just a matter of time, hopefully. And I just felt the rain drop, so hopefully the water goes. Cabin's clean, firewood, it's getting stocked up. Water's hopefully gonna work. And then we can call it a day. My foot's a little sore from stepping on the bear trap. All right, folks, stay tuned. Water coming soon.
Good thing we're not doing a live, eh?
Yeah.
Come on, baby.
Yeah, there you go. Water whisperer. Getting good pressure now. Perfect. That's a wrap.